All right, let's do it. $68.13. Final 5 boxes. 20 hits left. You can grab spots now for our next absolute, which I believe, I'd have to double check the calendar, but I'm pretty sure it's 2 weeks from today. And spots are still up for Select and Victory Lane. I've actually already have the Victory Lane because it's the second half of that case we did a couple nights ago. Select should be here in a day or two, and Absolute will be here by the end of the week. I already mentioned in the earlier video 1, I think, we're getting close to setting another Prism date, and we're getting close to that first mixer. So, definitely check out the website. You don't even really have to browse around or spend a whole lot of time on there. You could just go, look on the main page, scroll about halfway down. You'll see our break calendar on there. And then if you scroll down a little farther, you can see where all your spots are. 149 Precision, Kyle Busch, Joey, Denny, Kyle, Mark Martin. Whoa, check that chunk out. That's pretty cool. Looks like part of the, where the gray fire suit and the Pennzoil. Let's see, it wouldn't be the arm because that's white. So yeah, probably that front logo there. 16 of 49. That is a nice card. Nice chunk there for Mark Martin. I think Mark sold too. Kevin Harvick, Precision. Cole Witt, Dakota Armstrong. Matt Kenseth to 199, Blue Spectrum. David Reagan, Landon Castle. I think we pulled this one once or twice before. This is the 25 version. The Blue Spectrum. David Reagan, Landon Castle. I'm trying to remember. David Reagan may have sold on eBay as an auction. 99-cent auction. Or $1.99 auction, maybe. Landon Castle, I'm not sure. If no one bought Landon Castle, whoever won the eBay auction for David Reagan gets that card. If both sold, we will definitely have to randomize it. Not bad if you won the Reagan auction, though, for a couple bucks. 105 of 199. Kurt Busch. We got Terry, Casey, and Bobby. Ryan Newman. One of those jumbo fire suits. Ryan Newman. Does he still race for Richard Childress? Or did he leave RCR? I don't remember. I think he went somewhere else, didn't he? Matt Kenseth, RPM. Matt Kenseth, Brandon Jones, Denny Hamlin to 299. Brad Keselowski, tire, fire suit. Did we get 2 autographs in that? Oh yeah, we got the dual. Oh yeah, we got the dual and the mark. Well, that's a pretty darn good box there. 68-12. This would be box 11. Oops. We'll do after this video, we'll have the hit recap. That way, if you just want to watch the hit recaps at the end and go back and watch the whole break later at some point, you can see the hit recap, the randomization of all those team tandems and whatnot, and the free giveaway will be in the video after this. RPM, Martin Truex Jr., Gaulding, Ernie, Julia Landauer, 234 of 299, Ross Chastain, autograph, 10 of 99. I believe that's another eBay auction. What I do is I just go pick out, usually the magic number is probably 5. I'll go pick out 5 drivers that aren't consistent sellers. Sometimes they're young guns, sometimes they're the veterans. Sometimes it's just maybe somebody that hasn't sold in a while, and I'm throwing them up on eBay for 99-cent or $1.99 auctions. And of course, all that shipping will combine. If you've already paid shipping, just shoot me a message before you pay. We can combine that shipping. 77 of 99, Jeff Burton. But 2 of our auctions there have hit. We have Darrell Waltrip to 149 Icons and Bubba Wallace, Tools of the Trade, 46 of 99, Fire Suit. I do that pretty much for all products. It's kind of a 3-step. Website comes first. That way, for everyone who buys off the website, you got first dibs. After a few days, we'll start putting up buy it now, accepting offers on eBay, and then with about a week to go or so, I will toss up those. There's an Elliott Sadler to $2.99. Toss up those eBay auctions. 33 of 99, Tools of the Trade. Rowdy. We have Casey Kane, Action Packed, 88 of 99. Herschel and Chris. Chase Elliott, 10 of 99. Red Spectrum. Carl Edwards, 30 of 75. Carl Edwards, Tools of the Trade. Alright, 3 boxes left. Box 12 will be 38.92. There we go. Give me a drink. free giveaways. If you follow Playoff Push Sports Cards, PPSC, on Facebook or on Twitter, you have the chance to win free hits. Like the Ty Dillon autograph triple relic we're giving away, the Cameron Haley select signatures. All you have to do is follow. You can follow on Facebook at Playoff Push SC, on Twitter at Push Playoff. And what it is we don't have stuff. I'm not tweeting or putting Facebook posts every day. A lot of our bigger hits when we do case breaks, we'll scan and put them up there. You'll get updates on when breaks are up. Just kind of what's going on. Just kind of stay a step ahead. If there's a driver you're really wanting, you might see a tweet or a post on Facebook and you'll know, oh, that product's up. Let me go grab my spots. Bodine and Danica base. We got a serial number Ty Dillon Cup rookie to 199. David Reagan Landon Castle 86 of 99. Looks to be sheet metal tire. So just a way to top off some free hits. And just next time you're in a break or whatever, we'll just toss it right in for you. You ain't got to pay shipping for it. 59 of 149. Bobby Labonte, Trevor, Derek, and Cameron. AJ Allmendinger, Tools of the Trade, autograph. Fire suit sheet metal. Richard Petty, action packed. Paul and Kevin. Ernie Irvin to 299. Jack Ingram. Good due for pretty much about a Jack Ingram and a Herschel McGrath autograph in probably every case. Got Carl Edwards to 199, action packed. Truex, Brett Bodine, Ricky Stenhouse Jr. are all base. Kaz Grala, triple. Fire suit, sheet metal, looks to be. Tools of the Trade. Alright, 2 boxes left. This will be box number 13, which is 3866. Down to 8 more hits. What should we still be getting out of this case? I'm kind of thinking we're probably due for a bigger name autograph and at least one more nice relic chunk. Nice chunk of fire suit, maybe numbered to 10 less, 24 less, maybe. I would think. Hasn't been a horrible case. That Mark Martin was nice. Chris Buescher 101. Well, we did get the William Byron autograph. That was nice. We did get the duel. That was what? Reagan and Castle. Yeah, we definitely need 2 more really good hits. We need a big time autograph with a decent serial number on it. And we need another really nice mem card, short printed 10 or less. I think if we could get those 2, I'd call it a pretty solid case. Let's see, we got 8 chances. Keselowski, RPM. Jimmy, Kurt. There's Clint to 299. LaJoy and Galding. Tire fire suit. Team tandems. I think both sold, but I think maybe the same person bought both drivers, so We'll see at the end. Kevin Harvick to 99. Garrett Smithley, Mark Martin, Casey Mears. Greg Biffle, Tools of the Trade autograph, 23 of 25. Decent chunk there with some stitching and something, and what looks to be kind of like the start of a logo. Maybe part of the 3M. 23 of 25. I mean, that's fairly short printed, red spectrum, but I'm kind of looking for a little bit bigger of a name here than Greg Biffle. Icons, Kelly Yarborough. Got Brad Kay and Jeff Hammond. Michael Waltrip to 199. Dave Blaney, Absolute Ink, 64 of 99. So that was our two autographs, Blaney and Biffle. Unless we get a bonus one here. Chase Elliott, 28 of 99, RPM. Austin, Rex, and Julia. Another Gralla hit. 25 of 49. One of the jumbo fire suits. Is that the third Gralla hit? All right. Here we go, last box. 4 hits left. And we will wrap up this weekend's breaks. 39.63. I cut him out, did I? Well, I thank everybody who hopped in this absolute case or was in the select or the victory lane. I appreciate you hopping in. Hope you got some good hits. If you didn't, you still got the free giveaways, which we do for every case that breaks. And if you still don't have anything after the case, after the free giveaway, usually always toss you something in. I know there's nothing worse than spending good hard-earned money on breaks and you don't hit shit. Been there before, too many times. So I definitely want to see everybody get hits. Now, obviously, if you buy some of the bigger names, I can't guarantee I'm going to toss in a hit from them. But I try to get you something. Joey Logano, Action Packed. Alex and Michael. Bobby Labonte, 90 of 299. Chase Elliott. This card looks to be in pretty good condition. 20 of 49. That autograph, though. Right after this video, I'm going to cut the barcode off one of them boxes for whoever got Chase. I'll probably send that into Panini if you wish to. I'll try to get something. There's a Kevin Harvick Precision to 149. Corey and Daryl and David, base. Cole Custer, another Cole Custer autograph. Fire suit. Cole Custer hits twice. This is going to be our second autograph here, I believe. In fact, I can kind of see the auto poking through up top there. Kevin Harvick Precision. Joe Dale Jr. Kate Dallenbach. 117 of 199. And there is the Herschel McGriff. Guaranteed a Herschel McGriff autograph in every case. 64 of 99. Herschel McGriff. And the last hit of this weekend's breaks will go to, there's Bill Elliott, Icons to 99. Harry, Bubba. Landon Castle, 50 of 99, Red Spectrum. Will go to Martin Truex. Camouflage. Camouflage fire suit. Martin Truex Jr. Alright, everyone, that'll wrap it up. I think we did get some bonus hits in there. So we'll probably toss in some extras in the free giveaway for this case, since we got some bonus. Thanks for everybody for hopping in. You can grab your spots now for the upcoming Select, Victory Lane, and Absolute. I recommend buying them on the website, but obviously you can buy them on eBay if they're available and you so choose. Other than that, that's about all I got. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Keep updated on what's breaking, when it's going up. If you're interested in getting in this Prism or this mixer we're doing, you'll be the first to know. If you're on social media, and you can always shoot an email too. Email address is at the bottom of the homepage, which is www.playoffpushsc.com, and playoffpushsc@outlook.com is kind of the customer support contact email. Thanks again, everybody. Talk to you here in a couple weeks with the next round of breaks.